Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to record iPhone screen. iPhone offers not only taking screenshot of your display, but also ability to record everything that happens on it. Open Settings. Go to Control Center. Open Customize Controls. Find Screen Recording and add it by tapping on green plus icon. Now, swipe up from bottom to Control Center. Tap on the record icon. Countdown will start, and after that, recording begins. During recording, top of the screen has red stripe. To end recording, tap on that stripe and choose Stop Recording. If you are not satisfied with your video, you can delete it right from notification. If you want record screen right from app, open again Control Center Settings and enable access within apps, and follow the same procedure. If you want also record sounds, open Control Center and 3D touch or long press on record icon and tap on microphone icon to turn it on. Bear in mind that this option records all of the sounds around you. Thank you for watching. If you need any help with your iDevice, just ask in the comments.